We have an entire army of people.
I know, okay. This was when Miles was about 4 or 5 and we were going to a party. I know, it was a lot taller than everybody else.
Hey, Sebastian and Hugh. It's our first interview with Miles, and we're gonna see where he lives and discover him.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Hugh here from Creator Up. So right now we are in front of the house and we are gonna fly a drone. And we just finished a shot already, but now just do one more test shot to show you how this works.
We've got our team out here. We want to get a little bit of experience of what Brampton's really like.
So we're currently doing a shot with Miles, doing a handheld 360 shot with an Insta.
Hey everybody, we are here at the training camp in Sheffield, United Kingdom. Right behind me, we have some members from the UAE Embassy that have showed up to help support the organization. And it's just another great example of how Special Olympics is uniting people around the world. And if we take a look back here, we also have our VR team shooting with the men's basketball team, and you'll see one of the athletes we profiled, Miles, getting some work in. Right in the middle of the action, a lot of activity happening, so much excitement. We have our coaches, we have our women's team over here, the men's team, and again, just everyone coming together to make this happen. So thank you, and keep watching. We are here in Sheffield at the Graves Health and Sports Centre, where we are seeing Lily, another one of our athletes at home, in her natural environment. She's practicing with the tennis team that's going to be representing the national tennis team here from the UK in Abu Dhabi. We have Mr. Perpendicular. Find him on Instagram.
I love that. That's so good. That's so good.
Let's go.
We are sending a shot to see clearly her technique.
We are with Lily as she's playing a final game of tennis with a private coach before her preparation for the trip to the UAE. We have enjoyed our time. Now time for some partying.
It's called Rover. We use it a lot in physics production. And this thing is by Motion Impossible, it's called Mantis. This device will give us the motion control of the camera rolling that way from the actor.
It's exhausting. Waiting for everyone to hide. It's my favorite part. Grown men hiding behind small objects.
Last day here in Sheffield, where the group is about to go home. They're all heading out on the trains. We're just gonna get our one final group shot before the end, so enjoy the rest.
There are a lot of people going to Abu Dhabi from Great Britain. I didn't realize quite how large the Olympics are going to be.
Setting up for our very first time lapse, trying to catch the last bit of sun.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do a 5 a.m. wake up to do a sunrise.